Let me ask you something honestly. You know A to Z, right? But still, you make pronouns mistakes. Then listen carefully. Problem ABC का नहीं है. Problem ABC के sound का है. Hello everyone, I am Nigam, your English friend, and today I want to tell you something real. When I started learning English, I knew A to Z very well. A, B, C, सब याद था. But still, I was speaking wrong. Why? Because I learned letters, but I never learned sounds. This is true. And when I fix these one things, my pronunciations improve very fast. So today, I will teach you A to Z in a way you have never learned before. Today, we are not just learning ABC, we are training your ears, we are training your mouth, we are building your foundation. Because strong base, strong English. Listen carefully, this is very important. In English, one letter equal to many sounds. Yes. Let me show you some examples. A in cat, cat. A in kick, kick. A in call, call, call. Same letter, different sounds. So stop thinking. A का sound सिर्फ A होता है. No. Learn sounds through words. A to Z sounds. Let me show you A to Z sounds. Now practice VR. Okay? Practice with me. A. The confusing letter. Yes, A is confusing letter. Cat. 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 Kick. Kick. Call. 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 A is like a multi-talented actor. B is a clear sound. Bat. Bat. Boy. Boy. Both lips close, then open. C have two sounds. Cat. Cat. City. City. C change sound. O or S. D. Dog. Dog. Day. Day. E have short and long sound. Bed. This is sound. Bed. Me. Me. This is long. F. Fan. Fan. Fish. Fish. Upper teeth touch lower lip. G have also two sounds. Go. Go. Gent. Gent. G equal to G or J. J sounds. H. Breathe sound and silent sound. Hat. 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 Honest. Honest. Sometimes silent. I have also two sounds. Sit. Sit. Time. Time. J sound. Jam. Jam. K sound. K silent sometimes. Kite. Kite. Knife. Knife. K is silent before N. L. Clear law sounds. Love. Love. M. No sound. Man. Man. Some sound comes from nose. N. No sound. Net. Net. And Nigam. This is my name, Nigam. O have also two sounds, hot, hot, go, go. P air sound, pen, pen. Little air comes out. Q always with you. Queen, queen, queen. Q equal to KW sounds. R rolling sound, red, red. Rolls, rolls. Don't roll like a Hindi roll too much. S have two sounds, sun, sun. Each, each. T clear toe sound, top, top. Tree, tree. U two sounds, put, put. But, but. V is very important sound, van, van. Teeth plus lips, van, van. Don't say B. W sounds. W round lips, water, water, water. Lips round करके बोलो, water. X two combo sounds, box, box. Y sounds, yeah, yes, yes. Z sounds, chew, chew. Let's play a game. I say word, you guess sound. Pause the video and answer. Now practice with me. Round 1 slow. Cat, cake, call, go, gent, put, but. Round 2 clear speaking. Van, ban, sun, is, knife, kite. Round 3 sentence practice. I have a cat. I have a cat. He will go now. He will go now. This is a big city. This is a big city. I will put it here. I will put it here. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. Speak slowly. Feel the sound. Now you understand. English is not ABC. English is sound plus practice. If your sounds are correct, your English will automatically improve. Tell me honestly, which letter confuse you the most? A, C, G or U? Comment below. I am improving my pronunciation daily. This was day 2. Now your base is getting strong. Just imagine after 30 days you will speak English confidently, so don't miss day 3. It's going to be even more powerful. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe this channel.